How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys the most precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And I want to go to exactly how do I do that? How do I make that claim? Well, I want to show you guys my system and how I do this and make a lot of money consistently. And I've been doing this for over 6 years, so this system works. And before I get into talking about AMD, which is the stock I want to talk about, I do have a premium Discord. It is only $6 a month, which is the cheapest out in the market, and I give you guys my precise entries and exits and my favorite stock. But before you get into that, let me show you the meat and potatoes, if you're interested in joining, of how I do that and why this system works so well. I spent a lot of hours of research and tons and tons of time figuring out what works best with what indicators and what works with like most stocks in general. So this indicator is customized, and like I said, it's all in the premium Discord, this setup video. But when the price gets near the red band, price tends to be at a reflection point where it tends to not, it does not want to hold that price, and where it wants to go is this blue band. With the bigger cap stocks, they are actually a little more easier to understand because the price flows a lot better. So with this blue band, as you can see, we're like, okay, price tends to keep touching this blue band. That is your correction point. When it gets overextended, it touches the blue band and it can go wherever it wants to from there. As you can see, it touches blue band, goes up, touches, goes up, touches, will go up, question mark. So now it could obviously go to this green band and give us a sell or a buy signal. We have not really got any buy signals because the market has been pumping with SPY. SPY went down today, so things might get corrected. But as you can see, here's another strong sell signal. When the price goes above it, it can't sustain it and goes down quite a bit, 5% on this candle, making massive amount of money on puts. So this is honestly like one of the best put plays because the market has been just rallying, and then you just wait for these opportunities where price gets in there, but you do not get in right when price hits a red, or you don't buy puts or you're short it when the price hits the red band. There's obviously more things to do, and that's why it took me a lot of time to develop this strat. I look at a lot of things like the KDJ, which you have under here, and I talk about it in depth in my trading video in my Discord. But there's price action, market sentiment, and lower time frames to get your most precise entries that you want. But if you're just looking at this and you have no idea what you're doing, and you're like, okay, there's a lot of patterns AMD does with my system. And honestly, if you really wanted to get in, you get on these blue line pullbacks if you wanted to be a buyer. Me personally, that's not my strategy. I'm more likely to get in the green band because if it breaks the blue band, there's a big gap that it could go to. So that's just me personally, but it seems to work quite well in that. So AMD, a lot of people are on it. A lot of the eyes are on it. People are like, okay, Reversal Trader King, can you do a video on it? Where are we at with AMD? Where are we standing? Where's price headed to? Price could be headed to $132. That's the worst case scenario, as that's where the green band, most likely it makes a newer high at the well, that's showing at the 192 area. But that's a big gap there, guys. Prices, these bands are going to fluctuate as the price goes up or down. So, but basically what this video is for is to tell you where we at, where should we be buying, where should we should be shorting or selling our shares and getting in at better prices. So, for the bigger cap stocks, I do like options when they present. If there is a good option opportunity, like this candle right here went up 7%, it's over inflated, it can't hold this level, and then it goes back down to a 3% and more if you got it at the bottom of this candle. And like I said, with puts, that prints a lot of money. So guys, if you enjoyed this strategy, I want to get right into I do have a premium Discord. Like I said, this is for a limited time of only $6. Once we get over 500 members, which we're getting quite close, as there's a lot, it might go up because the demand, like I said, the demand goes up, the price goes up. So I want to, everyone that's grandfathered in, you will be locked in for $6 forever, and you will get my best trades and my entries and exits before I get in the market. I say that again, you get my entries and exits before I get in, so you can put it in your broker, a limit order. We never do market orders, so it'll be a limit order, and I tell you exactly when to get in, so you'll get the same win percentage as me if you do exactly what I sell, because when I sell, I do it in advance where price has not reached it yet. And I also have the setup video, so if you that goes in more in depth. It's like 30 minutes long. It goes over all these bands, the KDJ, in more depth, and how the strategy works better, because there's a lot that goes into it. And like I said, I spent 6 years perfecting this thing. This is a tool that I love, and it's a great strategy. It's made me through the game. I'm more of a type of a reversal trader. I don't trade in between zones. I trade the bottoms and I trade the tops. When it gets too overextended, I'm the trader that looks for where's the top. I'm not chasing the top. Once the price goes down this much, I'm not chasing it. I'm looking for the very tippy top. And yes, it can be done. It's impossible to get the exact though, but you can get very precise, and you can get it precise with confidence. This strategy, any strategy you use, you want to have confidence, you want to have an edge that's that consistently wins more than you lose. And we've been on a win streak for over 6 months, so I'm proud about that, because I want to stay disciplined, I want to be patient, no fear of missing out, and no chasing, guys. That's what this strategy does. Like I said, if you want to join the Discord, I'm going to put it into the YouTube comments. Scroll down below. It will be pinned in my YouTube comments that says join the premium Discord for the best trades. And these are the best trades, guys. I spent a lot of time into it. That's why I charge a low cost fee where others charge hundreds of dollars to access something like this. And that's why we're growing rapidly. So, and also, if you guys want to give a like, subscribe, comment, all those help the YouTube algorithm to share this video to other people that are into reversals, or just into maybe AMD, and what we're looking at, where could price go, where could price go back to, and kind of like what I showed you on the chart, the consistency of this blue line. Price has to go back to the blue line. We just touched it to a T, guys. So now it can do whatever it wants. If it wants to go up, calls are going to print right in there. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the premium Discord. It is a good offer, guys. You can cancel anytime, but give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it, and I will catch you guys in here, and happy trading.